The fourth technology that I chose to explore is called Pear Deck. There are different activities here. There's Pear Pop, Pear Deck Vocabulary, but the one I chose to explore was Pear Deck for Google Slides. It says create simple and instructionally effective lessons with Pear Deck for Google Slides. So what I was looking for was something to make making inferences more interactive and engaging with my students. So again, I'm sticking with those reading strategies, um, working on making inferences this time. So my I can statement would be I can make inferences and use evidence from the story to support my inferences. The reason I chose this resource is because it allows student interaction with your presentation. Pear Deck slides are very similar to a slideshow like PowerPoint or Google Slides, but instead of static informational slides, you get to create interactive slides that let every student participate in your questions or prompts right from their own devices. Um, so I'm going to show you what I created and kind of explain to you um, how I foresee it going with a lesson. So like I said, I started with create a lesson. And so it comes up, like you can see, creating a new Google slide. Um, and so it starts out like this, and it does look a lot like PowerPoint. Um, However, it's interactive. And so I am just going to show you the one that I made. It's actually pretty simple. I just took a picture from the our novel, Writing Freedom, um, and it would be visual on the students' devices as well as on projecting from my projector. And the students would be asked to make inferences from this picture or about this picture. And I would have already shared this with them. So you can see up here in the right hand corner, it says share. So before the lesson, I would have shared this with them, um, either using this link or I practiced and I used the email address one. Um, our students all do have email addresses. So either way, you can share via the link or email addresses. And then they it becomes interactive that way, and the students can start to make those inferences, and they will show up. So it's kind of a neat way to have a lesson and not have to wait for the hands to be called on and let everybody participate. Um, and even your people that sit back and don't want to participate can have some um, anonymity, whatever, be anonymous as they participate. The ISTE standard that I connected was Educational Leaders 3D, cultivate responsible online behavior, including safe, ethical, and legal use of technology. I thought this one was relevant since it was real time um, thoughts and information that would be popping up that the students would be sharing.